to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. April the 7th, 2009. What a day. What a day. Oh, baby. Can you say shooting star? Can you say bearish engulfing? Hopefully most of you took your trades. What a day. And I'll tell you why we rallied in the U.S. session. I have no freaking clue. Stock futures were down. Everything was looking good. Sterling yen rips 300 pips in our face. Euro sterling again on the better numbers out of London. Nice follow through though. And hopefully you took advantage of that and had a good day today. Now, did we reverse today? Well, let's take a look. Euro dollar clearly the relative strength loser. Euro sterling, as we said, breaking through 90, looking terrible. Close below 90. Well, it's closing right now at 90.05. Looks terrible again. Euro dollar, big resistance here, big support at 32. Excuse me. We cracked through 32. Say goodbye. Nice wedge. We take out 32. Say hello to 31. Oof. Indigestion. Watch this German factory orders. They're going to be an abomination. I think the euro cracks on those. That's a big number today. Dollar yen on the daily certainly took out previous day low. Could not rally through previous day high. I think dollar yen could come in, 10 exponential, right around that support area, test this 99.20 level. But dollar yen certainly looking very weak tonight. Stock market weak. So I would imagine tonight any rallies in dollar yen, as long as it doesn't take out 101, 101.10, should be a nice short. El Cable. Relative strength winner. Look at that propeller pattern. Listen, just because sterling did this does not mean it's not going to come back down and retest 46. Very impressive, absolutely. But again, when you take a look across the board, sterling was the only pair against the dollar that really was strong. Dollar was weak, right? Dollar yen was weak. But that's right. But again, dollar Swiss was strong. Aussie dollar relatively weak, closing unchanged. Kiwi was weak. So, basically the dollar, to me, was relatively strong today. But the pound was strong also. And I think that when all's said and done, this TALF auction that comes out, those results are weak. Remember, London had a very weak TALF, not their own auction facility, but weak bids for their own auction result when they had that, I think, about a month ago. So listen, we take out 148 and cable's probably going higher, is going higher. Unless we take out 48, cable's going to probably double bottom, come right back down and test today's lows. We maybe bounce off that, but that should be it. Euro sterling, relative strength loser, big closing low. Look at the break in euro sterling, people. This is major. Look at the 10, 20, 30 clearly really crossing for the first time in a long time. 2 months. Breaking through this uptrend channel. We are going down, doobie down. Say hello to 88, 87.50. You could even do your Fibonacci. And we take out the 61.8%. Which is where we held today. And it's over. 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 One of the most overvalued currencies out there. Looking at euro yen. Beautiful shooting star. As I said to you yesterday, it does not get any better than that. As I showed you the New Zealand chart, it doesn't get any better. Euro yen. Bearish engulfing. Closing terrible. We're probably going to 130.20 down here, the 20 exponential. We take out today's lows. Say bye-bye. 3-day event, people. Bang, bang, bang. Maybe tomorrow we reverse. Sterling yen holding up very well, just like El Cable. But again, closing below previous day lows. Still does not look good. I think we retest the lows today. Easy 146. Easy. We take out 149, we're going higher. Let's look at that New Zealand dollar. Picture perfect. As I tried to tell you, look how gorgeous that is. I tried showing this to you yesterday. Shooting star, bearish engulfing, taking out previous day lows. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. And the Aussie dollar putting up a fight because Aussie Kiwi is so strong. Well, you know what? Aussie's going down too. It's just putting up a fight because it was the relative strength winner today. Just like cable was. I think they play catch up tonight. Abso-freaking-lute. Look at my Euro Canada. Look at the Euro Canada. Oh, baby. Bye-bye. Finally breaking. This is a nice break, people. This is a beautiful break. I mean, we're coming down to here for sure. You want to do your Fibonacci? We're coming down to 58.80. Easy. At least 61.40. That's 250 pips from here. So Euro Canada breaking the whole uptrend channel. It is one of my best ideas. Look at the tweezer top. Look at these lower highs. This sucker is going down. And I know a lot of you don't trade it. I know it's, big spread. I know it widens out in Asia into 30 pips. It's just part of the business. Don't over-leverage yourselves. Don't over-leverage. Aussie yen, another one. Holding up very strong. Looks marvelous to the downside. Marvelous. Under 70, like 69.80 cover. Abso-freaking-lutely. Looks awesome to the downside. Aussie yen. Even Loonie yen. Looking very tired. Alcoa's earnings were a little bit better, but I think the TALF results are going to be more important. Loonie yen made a nice comeback, but again, I think this could be a nice short. I don't think we take out these highs. If we do, then buy the euro yen. The euro yen is going to come all the way back to 35.50. If we take out today's highs in Loonie yen and Kiwi and sterling yen. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at info@globalfxradio.com. And again, I enjoy your comments. Feel free to email me them, as well as post them in my YouTube channel. And again, the radio broadcast at globalfxradio.com. My trading website, globalfxllc.com. What else to look at? Well, let's take a look at some hourly charts. Sterling yen. I know it's your favorite. And cable. Take a look at those two. Hourly chart, we're dribbling down. We could definitely, I could see either. You could make a case for a pennant, and we're flagging to the upside. It looks great. You can make a case that's making lower highs. It keeps making lower highs on the hourly, these wicks, and it's going to bar down. So, listen, cable gets above that 48.80 level I spoke about, and that was previous day highs here. We got to get the hell out. We take out 49, it's gone. Any rallies in cable, I want to be short. Cable yen, I'm sorry. So the same thing applies to cable, actually. When we look at the cable chart, the same thing. We take out 49. Well, it's 48 and 80, I believe. No, 48. Then, cable's going higher. RC Sharp Price Index is the only number coming out tonight. And again, end rallies, I think we roll over. And I don't think we take out 49. No way. Cable, sterling dollar. Same looking chart. Same looking chart. But again, this one, we have 47.80 is the spot that should not take out. And again, you can do your Fibonacci also from the high to the low. And sterling get to 48.15 and still be a short and still not violate the golden retracement. So, this looks good. I want to short this higher. I'm not shorting this here. I want to short the Aussie. I think that looks like a better short. Even the euro. But cable probably going to have a pop. And again, let's see. What else do we want to do? I got so much time. Damn. And I'm not, Global FX Radio, I talk a little bit about the Middle East, but we're appeasing Iran, people. We're appeasing Iran. It just smells it. Euro yen, let's take a look at that. And again, any questions, email info@globalfxradio.com. Again, beautiful downtrend channel. Look at that nice downtrend channel. Any rallies should be sold. And that's it. All right, everyone, have a good one tonight. I think Asia could be active. I think this TALF results and the future should be all over the place. And, got some Australian numbers coming out at 9:30. Info@globalfxradio.com. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio, the only voice you will ever need in Forex that makes you money. And, some of you are learning so much. I really enjoy your emails. Thank you very much. Have a good one.